Ikundi itiganite cia gutetera ihoto cia andu aria mari mawathe unyitaniri na thirikari ya Isiolo ni maruguritie mubango wa miaka 3 uria urongoreirie kuhuranira ihoto cia andu aria mari mawathe na guthomithia muingi gwithema kumathutukania undu uria urituhagia miikarire yao.
Huu mradi unalenga kuboresha maisha ya walemavu kupitia njia ambayo ni ya kuhamasisha wananchi ili waweze kuacha unyanyapaa.
We want the community to be the communities with disability to be aware of their rights, and we want the entire community in Isiolo to be aware on the rights of persons with disabilities. We want disability inclusion to be realized.
Hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu anyiti itemi matiganite maugite mubango uyu ni uguteithiriria kuhura njeki andu aria maikaraga na mawathe kuona ni makoragwo mamukitwo hari guthukirwo mieke ya mawira kwamukira githomo ona motungata ma urigitani.
Tunalenga kupata vijana ambao wako na ulemavu ili waweze kupitia what we call inclusive internship program. Wakipata hizo skills ama taaluma waweze kujisimamia.
Aheani ya motungata ma urigitani nimekwamukira mathomo ma gutungata andu mena mawathe ngurani mubango-ini uria urathie na mbere kaunti-ini cia Isiolo na Kakamega ugitanywo gutirihwo mwaka wa 2028.
Caregivers are among the people or among the participants in these dialogue forums, for them to be aware of their rights as the caregivers and how they can be assisting persons with disabilities or the people who are under their care.
Thirikari ya Isiolo ni iranĩire wirutĩri wayo harĩ gutigĩrĩra ni manyitirĩra andu aria mari mawathe kuma kwamũkĩra gĩthomo na ũrigitani uria mabataraga.
When we start from the childhood, the ECD, and train these our disabled children, actually they will be very productive and they will be part of the society. Promise of our governor is ready to register 10,000. Among them will be the disabled people, the young children, the less fortunate one, to include them in SHA.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Karega wa Buthia.